through pup, but I can't. That's just dumb. Jeez, THQ, no wonder you went bankrupt. That was rude. I shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry, THQ. I wish you were back. I miss you.
I cannot.
What is this? Do you have the definitive version of Darksiders 2? No, Lion. No, man, I do not. This is actually the original PS3 version. I do have all of the DLC for it, though. Where's Pup? Pup. Here, Pup. Come here, boy. Stop getting stuck on the wall. Stop getting... No! Damn you, Pup! Fucking shit. And this is why we get the HD remakes and not play the PS3 copies. Oh, Pup, you silly, silly fool. Oh my god. Same. Well, don't the definitive editions come with all the DLC, guys? Just to be clear, the original PS3 version did not. It did not come with all the DLC. I had to purchase the DLC. That's why I prefer to play this game, because I paid for it. He's still fucking stuck. God damn it. Well, I have to reset him, so... No, 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 no! Get me out of here! There we go. By moving into the next area, we reset Pup.
Nice warm-up.
Where you going, buddy? Are there more enemies to fight? Is that what he's running towards? Come on, Pup. Come back here and get the Heartstone. What are you doing, Pup? What the hell are you doing, man? Yo, boy, what are you doing? Oh my god, Pup. Are there more enemies? Is that it? Is that the problem? There are no more enemies, dude. You still don't have the stone! From now on, you are dumb dog. Come, dumb dog. Pick up the fucking stone. Pick it up! Pick it up! This right here! Oh. Oh. Oh, dumb dog. Oh my god. Boss just broke the game. Yeah, how are you? I'm not doing well. I just broke the game. Oh, it's bullshit. Dumb dog. Dumb dog broke the game. Fucker. God damn it. Now where am I? If that stone is still down. Okay, good. The stone is still up there. Alright, come here, dumb dog.
After you.
Stay. Stay, dumb dog. This is highlight material. Oh. Okay, dumb dog. We give you the stone again. You need to pick it up. It is auto-saving right here, so that won't happen again.
Here, I'll take care of this.
Yeah, good.
Let's put this stone to good use.
Good, dumb dog. Let's go.